so this is how we make songs. How to make a funk song mashup. Alright, that was one shot. So we're gonna go to one shots. We're gonna do room F cowbell. And we're gonna take that, put a sampler. So put 1 on 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Alright? Let's listen to this. See? Alright, now we're gonna make a melody. Alright, so what we're gonna do is we're gonna sort of make chords. We're not exactly making chords, but you'll get what I mean. So you take this and you do this. Or should I? It's gonna be like this. Alright, so right, so now that we got that, we repeat that 4 times, and then we select both of them, right click, and click merge regions. Now it's gonna be like this. Alright, now we're gonna go to packs and we're gonna search Phonk house. Right? Yeah, this one. Alright, now we're gonna search for loops. This is the full drum loop, alright. You can full underscore drums. No, just full drums. Right? Now these are the full loops. You can choose whichever one you like, but it has to one of the 120. So you can't use the instinct one. Alright, you gotta use. Yeah. I'm gonna personally use this one, alright? So I'm gonna pull it out, put it in here, and it's gonna sound a bit like this. Yeah, but we're gonna cut it in half until this goes to about bar 4, and we're gonna repeat it, and you're gonna find out why later. Alright, and we're gonna get the shakers. shakers. It's gonna be called the Manfestin Shaker. Yeah. Okay. Delete the shaker. And now we need the voice lines. You can personally choose whatever one you want. You just can't use the Mega Drift or the Instincts. Or yeah, you can't use any of the Instincts, so yeah, I'm using this one. This is for background vocals. So I'm gonna show you the final arrangement in a sec. Alright, so now we have the regular sampler, also known as the cowbell, here. On bar 4, the chopped in half. The left drums need to be chopped in half. I'm not kidding. It comes in on bar 4 right here. The shakers come in here, right? Okay, so long story short, the shakers come in on 9, it says. And the drums are first to leave at bar 41. Bar 49, the shakers leave. And then the vocals come in on 13 and leave on 53. And so does the melody. Oh no, this isn't the shaker, this is the vocals, right? Yeah, the vocals come in here on 13. Alright, so that's the entire thing. Let's move on to the effects and the panning. Okay. So what's gonna happen, we're gonna add a default BL to every single one. Again, press Alt if you want to copy it, or Option on Mac. And now it sounds like this. This is the final melody. Alright? And last thing, we're gonna turn this down. Right, so that's the entire thing. Right, set this to negative 25 dB, and you're all set. Alright, peace.